everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So we'll be talking about some of the negative energies in this video. It's going to be a very short video, and I'll be explaining you how you can get rid of all these negative energies, how you can cleanse your soul, how you can recharge yourself, how you can simply cleanse your aura and energy, so you can actually feel protected, you can actually feel safe in your own energy, and no other negative energy can enter in your aura. So I was making sure that in the last 1 or 2 months, everyone's doing a perfect cleansing session. Everyone's grounding their energies because it was so much important. There were so many planetary movements going on, and also when there are so many planets moving in and around each other, and then there was this Mercury retrograde also. So cleansing is important in all these times, and how you can do that cleansing, how you can protect yourself from all those negative energies. One thing about cleansing you have to learn and you have to make sure that you always do is grounding. Every day, wake up in the morning, ground your energies. That is the very first task that you need to do if you want to actually cleanse your whole body, if you actually want to get rid of the pains, if you actually want to get rid of all the negativity, evil. Grounding is a must. Grounding should be in a standing position, because every time every single person cannot just sit and ground themselves, because it's hard to imagine that. So till the time you're not perfect in grounding, just stand like a tree and imagine your cords are going down, and howsoever you do the grounding. There are a lot of guided meditations on grounding, so just make sure you're standing while you're grounding. Okay, and grounding should be done. That should be your first task in the morning. And the second thing that you can do for cleansing and to protect yourself from the negative energies is selenite. Selenite is a crystal. If you rub it anywhere and if you feel that there are any of the energies that are disturbing you, you have got a sudden pain somewhere, and that pain wasn't there just like 10 minutes ago, and it has all of a sudden come from nowhere. So what you can do in that case is you need to just simply cleanse your energy with the selenite. You can take the selenite in your hand, you can meditate with it, or you can even rub it in the area where you're feeling, like if you're feeling pain in the shoulder, if you're feeling pain in your joints, knees, ankles, wherever the pain is, you can simply rub the selenite there. Now, for the people who are actually feeling anxious, what they can do in this case, you guys need to charge your heart chakra more and more. So how you can do that? You need to stay more close to nature. So just go for a walk in the morning and also go for a walk in the evening, because evening is the time when you'll be feeling very anxious. So that's another thing that you need to do if you need to stay away from all these negative energies, if you want to just leave them aside and stay in your own energy, stay positive all the time and heal yourself. Now, one last thing that is a major task that you need to do: always go in the sun. If you want to feel safe in your energies, if you want to protect your energies from all the negativity, if you want to release all the old energies, if you're going through any spiritual awakening or a sessions, if you want to stay grounded, if you want to release the old energies, then you need sunlight. The sun is actually the source to remove all the old energies. So sunlight is very important. Now don't go and take sunlight at 12 o'clock noon. Take the sunlight when the sun is rising, like around 5:30 or whatever in your time zone it is, 5:30, 6 o'clock. Or if not, if you're not able to wake up that time, try doing it 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. But don't go outside when it's like really shining up high. Solar energy can actually remove all your pains, can help you get rid of all the health issues that you're going through, can also help you get rid of the anxiety, because anxiety comes from your solar chakra. And if you charge your solar chakra every day morning, then there's no chance that any negativity can enter in your aura. That is your core. Your solar chakra is your core, and you do need to strengthen your core to just get rid of all these negative energies. So all the negative energies, you know, they are afraid to even come near you because your core is so strong, and you just don't, they are not able to pull you towards themselves, because negative things are there and they actually pull us through our mind, because our mind has a habit of making the illusions. So these are some things that I wanted to discuss. Remember, grounding, very first task in the morning. Second thing is selenite. Keep selenite always with you. Third thing is go for a walk in nature where you have like all the trees around, all the plants around. Now, you know, don't go out in like pollution or something. Just find an environmental park where you can go for a walk. The fourth thing is your solar energy. I think that's what I mentioned, or maybe you can just look at the video again. So yeah, so the fourth thing is the solar energy. Remember, solar energy is so much important. So that's how you can get rid of the negative energies. If you have any questions, you can post it in the comment section below, and I will see you all in the next video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram because I keep posting a lot of meditations, a lot of other things that are beneficial for you, and that will help you move forward in life. So keep manifesting, keep motivating, keep growing, and I'll see you all. Bye bye.